Hey guys, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to make chicken nuggets. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by blending the chicken. You can use chicken thigh or chicken breast. Then goes in 1/3 cup of fresh coriander leaves, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies, half a teaspoon crushed black pepper, some salt to taste, juice from 1 medium-sized lemon, and 1 egg. Now we'll blend these all together. Make a coarse paste and transfer it into a bowl. Now for the coating, take half a cup of breadcrumbs. To that, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon chili flakes and half a teaspoon oregano. Give it a mix. Then here I have taken around 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To this, I'm gonna add around half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon crushed black pepper. Mix them nicely. Here I have 1 egg. I'll just mix the yolk and the white properly. Now take a small portion of the chicken, give it a thin round shape. And then put it in the flour mixture. Similarly, I'll make a few more. So the chicken goes into the flour, then into egg wash and then into breadcrumbs. Make sure you remove the excess flour. Then coat it with egg. Now put it in the breadcrumbs and coat it properly. Repeat the same process with all the chicken nuggets. So these are now ready. I'm gonna refrigerate these for a minimum of 15 minutes and then we'll deep fry these. It's been 15 minutes and I have heated some oil for deep frying. Now drop a few pieces of chicken nuggets in the oil and don't overcrowd the pan. You should fry these on medium to high flame until they are nicely golden brown in color. Now transfer these onto a paper towel. Now I'll fry the rest of the pieces as well. So the chicken nuggets are now ready. Serve these hot with some tomato ketchup and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you have any suggestions or any questions, then make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.